Everyone, Reseller here, and this is going to be your Steem blockchain news for Saturday, January 26, 2019. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. Let's get right into the numbers, shall we? Today we have 1,206,700 accounts here on Steem.com. Currently, witnesses are at 14,817, and we are currently on hard fork 20. Steem back dollar stays at 94 cents. We are up 1.08% as we continue to see a rocky road here over the past week. So we're continuing to kind of monitor this. We're down like a smidgen. We've been up and down all week on the Steem back dollar. Currently, volume for the last 24 hours is 15.8 thousand. Market cap's at 10.07 million. So we'll continue to watch this. This is kind of inching towards that dollar, but it hasn't quite reached it yet. But 94 cents is pretty good for Steem back dollars. Steem, on the other hand, is at 33 cents. We are down 3.85%. We are down 12% for the week. As we can see here, we had a high of about 44 cents earlier midweek. And of course, I saw that little peak, and I knew that it was going to be the roller coaster peak. And we'll continue to lose some ground here for the week. We're down 12% overall for the week. Volume's at 1.5 million. Market cap's at 104 million. And we're currently ranked 46 on CoinMarketCap.com. State of the apps, State of the DApp, has Steem at number 1, Steem Monsters at number 2, and eSteem at number 3. And eSteem has been picking up some steam in the last couple weeks, so we'll continue to keep an eye on this. It's blog, vote, share pictures, get paid. It's pretty much like kind of like another GUI like Steemit.com. So definitely go and check that out. And I want to give a huge shout out to Steem Hunt and Active Fit, who has raised Steem Hunt is up 2 points and Active Fit's up 1 point. And I've been seeing a lot of posts about Active Fit, so I'm pretty sure we're going to see that raise a little bit higher throughout the month, I think, into February. So keep up the good work, everyone. News of the day comes to us from surfer Marley. 60 Seconds of Steem launching a crowdsourced marketing campaign on DTube and calling for video ad creators 1,000 Steem and sponsored prizes. As we can see here, you can create a 60-second video kind of talking about Steem. All the information is going to be below. I'm gonna make something at some point, I think, for this, and so you have until February 7th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you have a little bit of time to put something together. Can't have any third-party video or anything like that, so everything's got to be completely original with that. So definitely go and check this out, and huge shout out to Surfer Marley for putting this together. And I think the key dates for February 7th, and then the February 15th will be one of the final days of voting. There's going to be 7 days of voting on that whole thing. So it's a really cool program. I found out about this on Twitter. Twitter's been growing so crazy on for Steem stuff. So if you're on Twitter, definitely go and give everyone a shout out there. Other news of the day comes to us from Penzif. Interview with Steemit Inc. Executive Chair Ned Scott and Managing Director Elizabeth Powell. This was a couple days ago. This is a really good listen, so definitely go and check this out. Some pretty interesting information here. And there's also the 5th State of the Steem forum that was covered also. Also go and check that out. You can just find that with going to Penzif's account and searching down there, but the link for this is going to be below. For definitely check it out. D2 video today comes to us from Ken Melendez, Block Trade Exchange video tutorial. For those that don't know, we have a kind of an exchange here on Steemit.com. It's block trades. You can basically buy and sell different things. So if you need to to cash out, you basically sell your Steem to block trades for Litecoin or Bitcoin or whatever your fancy is for crypto, and then you can take that into an exchange and exchange it out for money. One of the most common things done for block trades is selling your Steem or your Steem back dollars for Litecoin, and then taking your Litecoin and cashing out to USD or whatever your currency is through Coinbase. That's usually what we do here in the States. You can also go vice versa. You can actually buy some stuff on another platform and bring it into block trades if you want to power up or buy Steem delegation. That's one of the things I've been doing over the last 3 months, has been using some of my Litecoins and crypto like that to purchase some delegation power, Steem power. You actually get a lot um, when the price is down, and so I definitely highly suggest that. And it's only good for 90 days when you do that. But anyways, check out this video. It's like a 3-minute video. It's really quick tutorial. For those that have no idea about block trades, this is something you should probably watch for seasoned veterans like myself that's been around for a while. This is just general information for people that are curious and that have no idea that we have an exchange here on Steemit.com. So definitely go and check it out. Steemit today is no other than Way Beyond Pad Thai. She's been doing amazing blogs and vlogs for over a year, and I think her anniversary just came up. So definitely go and say hello and check out some of her videos. She makes amazing vlogs and things like that. So she is your Steeming of the day. A new Steem of the day comes to us from Steem Crazy #1 from Pakistan, brand new to Steemit. A lot of great information here, like brand new to Steemit. So go and leave a comment. Comments are free. The link is going to be below. We want to give a huge shout out to Yaba P. Matt, who has donated 5 Steem via Post Promoter to help this Steemian along on their journey. So that should give them a good push. And like I said, definitely go say hello. Comments are free. A vote if you want. All that fun stuff. Welcome this new Steemian to the community. Once again, I'm Reseller here. This has been your Steem blockchain news. Definitely go and check out all the links below. If you're not following on YouTube, definitely go down there and click the subscribe button. If you're on DTube, click the upvote button and follow me on Steemit. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or any kind of comments or anything like that. And I'll definitely check them out later today. And once again, I'm Reseller here. This has been your Steem blockchain news for today. We'll see you next time.